Hey there. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set up an autoresponder email in SendGrid to automate responses to customer inquiries or signups. First, log into your SendGrid dashboard and go to the Marketing tab. Click on Automation. Click on Create New Automation and choose a trigger. You can choose when someone subscribes to your list or submits a form. Next, design your autoresponder email using the drag and drop editor. Remember to keep it short, professional, and aligned with your brand. You can also personalize the message using custom fields like the recipient's name. Once your email is designed, set the timing for when the autoresponder should be sent. You can choose to send it immediately after the trigger event or with a short delay. Test the autoresponder by subscribing to your list or completing the form to ensure it works correctly. Autoresponders are a great way to instantly engage with new subscribers or customers without manual intervention. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more email automation tips. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.